Hi, fifth graders. So today you're doing your topic AB check-in for module 3. So the directions, please work independently. I want to know what you know based on what we've learned so far. All right, try your best, and you're only going to get given one chance on this. It's not because I don't want you to try and get everything right, but just because it's like a check-in. We want to know where you're at right now so we know how we can move forward. So first question says, what should the numerator be for the fraction to be equivalent to 1/5? So looking at this here, 1/5 is equal to how many tenths? And for your answer, you don't need to write the whole fraction here. Just tell me, what should that top number be? Okay. The second question, same thing. What should the numerator be for the fraction to be equivalent to 1/5? So 1/5 now would be how many 15ths? And again, just tell me what the top number would be. Question 3. Express the fraction as a mixed number. That just means write the fraction as a mixed number. Please add a space in between the whole number and fraction when typing in your answer. For example, 1 and 1/3 would be 1 space 1/3. So 8/5 is an improper fraction. Write it as a mixed number. And remember that we have notes on this in our notebook. You can use those notes on these topic check-ins. Next question, same thing, but now the fraction is 13/12. 13/12. What would that look like as a mixed number? Question 5, add. And there's a little caveat to these, 2 of them. So when you add 1/2 and 1/3, you're going to use the same method we've been using. You can draw out your fractions in the rectangle, make them have equivalent or equal sized parts, and then add them up. When you get your answer, don't forget this part. If your fraction can be simplified, remember using our greatest common factor, if our numbers can be made smaller, you must do this in order to get correct. It's not necessarily going to happen on all of them, though. And if your answer is more than 1, I would like it written as a mixed number. So if you keep it improper, I won't give you points for it. So 1/2 plus 1/3. The second addition question is 3/4 plus 2/3. Same thing. If it's possible, you need to simplify your answer. And if it's over 1, write it as a mixed number. All right, question 7, now we are subtracting. Same rules apply though. When you subtract, I want you to simplify your answer if it's possible. And if your answer is over 1, write it as a mixed number. So 5/6 minus 1/4. And last question, subtract again, but now we have 1 2/3 minus 3/5. Simplify your answer if possible and write it as a mixed number. And just a little warning too, if you submit, it's going to show you your answers this time. If your answer is super close, like this is very sensitive. So let's pretend this is not the right answer, but let's pretend that you think the answer to this is 1 1/2. I'll tell you right now, it's not. But if you type 1 space 1/2, it won't recognize that. But I go through and I look at all of the answers. So if I can tell, like, oh, no, they got it right, it's just the computer not recognizing it, I will manually change it. So don't worry about that. Okay, and don't forget, when you're all done, you need to submit. There are 2 buttons, they're both blue. All right, I think that is it. So work hard, try your best, take your time, use your notebook, and take the time to solve each problem. Draw them out on the rectangles, just like what we've been doing. You want to show me what you know, and we know how to do that. All right, that is it. Good luck, everyone. Bye.